How can soundproofing on Car Comfort Shop be proven to be effective? Here's the detail. When our customers hire us for soundproofing services, of course you want to see the results before and after the installation. Word of mouth is insufficient for us to prove the effectiveness of soundproof in our store. Some may even consider it to be a fabrication. That's why we provide figures to make it easier for you all to understand how our soundproofing makes a big difference after and before installation. At Car Comfort Shop, we will do the 3 important tests before and after the installation. All noise tests are done in our shop. Why don't we do it outside the shop with car running on road? Reason is simple. The environment of the test is not accurate if we measure the noises with car running on road. Example, we have noise measurement before the installation with car running on road. The traffic condition outside the car may be not so heavy. We can't get an exhaust noise from a motorcycle that comes into the car. After installation, we run the car on the same road and there is a loud exhaust noise coming from a motorcycle. Then the test is not valid anymore, as higher noise level will be detected comparing to the previous test. Also, the road condition and car's speed are not easy to control under the same speed when car is running. These will make a big difference on the test also. For this reason, we have simulated a test modal that allows us to test the car inside the shop without car running on the road. So, the environment in terms of engine noise, outside noises, and vibration noises will be the same before and after the installation. More accurate test results will be received from the measuring equipment. The 3 tests we will do: first, engine test, to see how much the engine noise will enter the car with engine starts and RPM accelerated at 3000. Second, VRN, vibration noise test, to see how much the vibration noise will be reduced on the areas soundproofing are done through the uses of microphone and vibration speaker. Third, traffic outside noises test, to see how much the outside noises like wind noise, tire running noise, traffic noise, exhaust noise, and raindrop noise coming into the car will be reduced after the soundproofing. The noises are simulated to use pink noise as the noise source. Above 3 tests will be shown with the reports that state the noise level before and after the tests. In theory, the car's noises shall drop to the noise test level shown on the reports when it is running on road, no matter how fast or how slow the car is running. We use our unique and own in-house measuring software on phone app to do the test. It is free of charge. The purpose is to let car owner know about the noise drop level that proves our soundproofing installation is effective. Please note that the drop of decibel, dB, shown on the reports is every 3 decibels equals 50% noise drop, according to the acoustic theory. This is one of our advantages that proves we have a unique way to do the noise test. Machine measurement won't lie. It just shows the right result of what we have done. With our exclusive noise solutions of soundproofing, we believe and we can ensure the noise drop is guaranteed after installation.
Visit Car Comfort Shop for more info.